That's what you said. Let's see. Gotta find a spot for you. This one all right, or?
You could take that one. I'll have to go drive around.
Okay. Yeah, but you said we had to use the Sunoco BP.
I know, but all day I can't be using our card. And damn it, them people are leaving. Now I'm on the wrong side again.
What?
I'm on the wrong side again. I'm going over there.
You want me to swing around?
That's all
You
right.
take a, huh?
It's all right. I'm already out here.
All right. You gotta learn to put it either way.
I can't see to pump gas on the other way. That's why.
Whatever.
Whatever.